One of my favorite foodie tricks for introducing more complex and deep flavors into my family's palate is to use rainbow peppercorns. Instead of just using straight black pepper, I like to use this rainbow mix for deeper and more complex flavors. I fill my pepper grinder with them and put this right on the table for my family to use. And then I also have this little coffee grinder, but I use this one specifically for spices and not coffee. Then once the pepper is ground up, as coarse or as fine as you want it, then I just add it to my pepper container, and I keep this little dish by my stove, and then I can use it whenever I'm cooking. And these are just a super easy and fun way to help add more depth and complexity to your family's palate and the flavors of the food that you use. I bought this on Amazon. It is $12 for 12 ounces and it lasts for a really long time. So there you go.